Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to continue talking about fashion. So first, look at these pictures about Jennifer Lawrence. What is she wearing in each picture? How do you think she looks better? Okay guys, now look at these pictures. Who looks good? Who looks bad and why? Please use the prompts to write some sentences. Okay guys, now I want you to please answer this. Who is wearing what? Look at the sentences over here so that you can match them. Pause the video please. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and check. She is wearing green pants would be number 4. He is wearing a blue jacket. 3. He's wearing a blue coat. That would be number 7. She's wearing a black dress. 2. He's wearing a black, green, and pink shirt. Number 5. She's wearing red gloves. 6. She's wearing a red suit. Number 1. Excellent. Okay guys, so today we're going to be describing how people look. And I want you to please go to your student book page 28, exercise 1A. Here we're going to write the correct adjectives to describe the clothing. Then we're going to listen and check. For example, number 1 is flashy. Why? Because flashy clothes, they attract a lot of attention. They are usually very bright. Now, what would you say about number 2? Would you say that's fashionable, glamorous, or old-fashioned? Yeah, here we're going to write old-fashioned. Very good. Pause the video while you continue matching. Okay, guys, now let's go ahead and listen and check.
Lesson C. The latest look. Page 28. Exercise 1. Vocabulary. Clothing styles. 1,
Flashy,
2,
old-fashioned,
3,
glamorous,
4,
fashionable,
5, weird, 6, trendy, 7, retro, 8, tacky.
Okay, guys, great. Now, how would you describe old-fashioned clothes? Well, these are clothes that were very popular in the past, right? And they are not necessarily like popular right now, but they were very popular at some point. Glamorous? I mean, in here we're describing clothes that are um, very pretty. They look expensive. They don't necessarily have to be expensive, but at least they look like that. Now, fashionable? These are the things that people like to wear, right? They always look good. These are like the most popular things. Now, if we're talking about trendy, is talking about the things that are popular right now, but they might not be popular in 2 months. For example, do you remember when everyone was wearing chapus like Floricienta chapus? That's not popular anymore, but it was trendy back then. So it's like the things that everyone likes right now, but maybe not in 2 weeks. Now, weird, of course, we have to be very strange. 7, retro. This is similar to old fashioned because we're talking about clothes that look old, except that retro is they can be actually new clothes, but they look like old styles. And this is in a good way. And tacky? Tacky means that we don't have a good taste, that these things don't combine, they look cheap or of poor quality. So we're going to go to our workbook on page 21. Sorry. Exercise 1. Here we're going to read about the types of clothes and write the fashion word that matches each type. For example, number 1. Clothes that people like right now but might not like next year are trendy. Number 2. Clothes that are the style that everybody wants or likes. Those are fashionable. Very good. Pause the video, please. Okay, guys, now let's check. Number 3. Clothes that used to be what people liked. Old fashioned. New clothes that look like old styles but in a good way. Retro. Clothes that look expensive and exciting in a good way. Glamorous. Usually cheap clothes of poor quality or bad taste. Tacky. Clothes that look very strange. Weird. Clothes that attract a lot of attention because they are bright. Flashy. Very good, guys. Now, let's work in exercise 2. Here, you're going to complete the sentences looking at the pictures. For example, we can say that her dress is fashionable, or maybe you think it's glamorous, maybe you think it's flashy. You can choose any of the adjectives that you think would work well to describe these items. Please pause the video. Okay, guys, we're going to share our ideas during our class. I will see you then. Bye bye.